Hey YouTube, so now today I think I'm gonna be showing you how to do a quick little bun with the style. Of course, why not? Let's get into the video. Hey guys, as y'all know, it's on for only 5 minutes. First step, I use this olive oil. I got these at Walmart. It helps you for like if you have itchy hair like mine. I use this fast. Just put a little bit on your hand and massage your hair. Second step, I go in with my comb. Third step, I go in with Echo gel. I forgot mine. I'm probably gonna use my sister's, but mine is just the same. So it's Echo. It's just the same company, so it's okay. Echo gel and put it around your hair because I'm gonna do a design with my hair. Yeah, today. So you're just gonna go separate your hair right here. I should have my sister help me out. Okay, let's go into that. Next step, that's when you get your echo. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my little bunny and add it on. Then I'm gonna come back and show you how I'm gonna be doing my baby hair, and then I'm gonna show you the results after everything is done. I got two, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna be using one. I'm just confused. Maybe one, maybe two. I don't know. I'm gonna put my hair into a little bun. Put this on. I got I don't know where, I don't know how to say it. I got them somewhere. I don't know. Oh, at Hair Viver. I think I'm gonna leave my baby hairs just like that because I don't want it to be too much. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'll be back to show you my results. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it on my head for like a couple minutes so that it dries and stays in place, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the results. See you in a little bit. And yeah, I've been sitting here for a couple minutes, so I'm just gonna take my scarf off. Yes, and I'm gonna be putting my stuff in my hair. Like, I don't know how they call this stuff. And there is my finished look.